Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing who can mention your profile on Threads by Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Threads app and logging into your account. Now tap your profile icon from the bottom menu. On your profile page, tap the globe icon at the top left of your screen, and from there select Mentions. You can now choose which types of accounts are allowed to mention you and link to your profile. You can let everyone do it, just profiles you follow, or you can choose to let no one mention you. Select the option you want and it will save right away. You can exit the settings and your preferences will update. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.